Hello students, today I am going to teach you questions of IT 402. You know that today was a board examination for IT 402. So I have made a slide and I have made the collection of slides in which I have explained each question very briefly. So I'll explain. And when I was teaching to the students of class 10, then I was doing these PYQs already and they were aware about the question pattern and type. So I'm going to discuss. So the first question is, the school is, you can see, now you can see the questions are like that they want to assess your practical as well as your intellectual knowledge, that whether you are clear about the concepts or not. You know that IT 402 is very easy subject, very easy to grasp marks. So they want to check whether you have deep knowledge of the theory or not. The school is organizing a career fair, career counseling workshop. Then, which of the following will be the most effective method of communication inform all the students of the school? So the school is organizing a career counseling workshop. Which of the following will be the most effective method of communication to inform all the students of the school? So like we have the answer: face-to-face communication, notice a poster, phone calls, or meet everyone in person. So you can see the question is, a school has to organize a career counseling workshop, and which is the most effective method to inform all the students of the school? So we cannot do face to face communication with everybody, we cannot do phone call, it is also not feasible, we cannot meet everyone personally. So notice and poster will be the best idea, that you will have a poster, or you will have a flash in your school and you will put it at the correct place at the entrance of the school. Whenever there will be any PTM or parents will come, then they will see the posters of their kids and they will be aware about the career counseling workshop, and they have to come, they will be aware about the time and session of the career counseling workshop. Which of the following is the most suitable term for the ability to regulate one's own emotion and help others also to do the same thing? Whether it is managing emotion, whether it is harnessing emotion, knowing emotion, suppressing emotion. Managing means when we are encountering a situation that we used to think how we can manage our emotion. When we know our emotion, that I know that I have allergy with ice cream or any cold thing, then I will avoid taking those things. Then I will suppress my emotion, means I want to do something, means I know that I can be happy if I will do some particular kind of thing, but I cannot do because of some rules and regulation of some institution or sometimes in family also. So in that case, I need to suppress my emotion. So what will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be harnessing emotion, means giving your emotion a correct way. Like these days, you know that people are being secular, they are being spiritual. They are harnessing their emotions towards God, and they are expressing their emotions through their worshipping and chanting of mantras and all. This is called harnessing emotion. Next question: Rosni studies in class 10th and is participating hard with a lot of sample paper to get good marks in her exam. She gets up early in the morning to study and complete her revision work. This is an example of, means Rosni is a good student. She is doing very much hard work. She is doing all the sample paper to get good marks, and even she is getting early and complete her task. So whether she is self-aware, self-motivated, influencer motivation, or emotional intelligence. So it is self-motivation. Means the girl is waking up by herself, doing the sample paper, means she is self-motivated. Next question is, a blank is a location where a group of files can be stored in a computer. Whether it is folder, SMPS, CMOS or UPS, it is a folder. Folder is a place where we store a lot of files. Which of the following is a myth about entrepreneur? What is a myth? An entrepreneur should be confident and should be able to take decision. Every business idea must be unique or special. Unique or special, and entrepreneurs should keep trying new ideas, and entrepreneurs should be creative and should have different solutions to the problem. So what will be the answer? Every business idea must be unique or special. That is a myth about entrepreneur, that every business idea should not be unique. Means you can have your business according to the locality where you are staying, what are the needs of the people, so you can go according to that. Which of the following is the most important factor for sustainable development and help us to become aware of our role as a responsible citizen? Sports, education, business, and literacy. Illiteracy. Most important factor for sustainable development. SDG का most important factor क्या है? It is education. Sustainable development. Our country will be developed when most of the people will be educated. Now section B. Ravi has to prepare a project report. He wants to save certain formatting feature and then apply them to the project report. He can use the feature of OpenOffice Writer. Means he has to prepare a project and he want to apply certain formatting feature and he want to save the project report. So he will be using style. I have told you that style when I was telling you about what is a style means, then style is a set of different kind of formatting styles. Like in style, I told you how you can go from OpenOffice Writer to set different style. You can set the formatting to bold to italic. You can set the style to different color. And then image is a different concept. Image is an object. Mail merge is a different concept. Preview is a different concept. So the answer will be style. During a recent excursion, Roski has taken some picture for making a reporting writer. She wants to increase the contrast of the image. Means a girl Roski has taken some picture and she wants to increase the contrast of the image. Which of the following feature image filter should she use in writer? Here we are talking about OpenOffice Writer. In OpenOffice Writer, which features she will be using? Okay, students, I'll be continuing with this. I have some work now.